In this video, we'll guide you through how to easily check your Samsung battery health on Galaxy phones in 2026 using the built-in tools. This method is simple, safe, and doesn't require any third-party apps. First, open the Samsung Members app on your Galaxy device. If you can't find it, you can download it from the Galaxy Store or Play Store. Once the app is open, scroll through the home screen and tap on the Support or Diagnostics option. Next, tap on Phone Diagnostics or simply select Get Started under the Diagnostics section. Your phone will now show a list of components that can be tested. From here, look for the Battery Status option and tap on it to begin the test. The system will quickly analyze your battery condition, charging performance, and overall health. After a few seconds, your results will appear on the screen. You will usually see one of three statuses: good, normal, or weak. Good means your battery is in strong condition, while normal indicates average performance, and weak suggests your battery may need attention or replacement soon. For better accuracy, make sure your phone has enough charge before running the test. Also, it's a good idea to keep your software updated by going to Settings. Software update, download and install, since updates often improve battery optimization and performance. That's all for this guide. Now you can quickly check your Samsung battery health anytime using built-in diagnostics and keep your device performing at its best.